How to operate the concrete pump. First, switch on the power. Second, start the engine and turn on the control switch. The engine will run at idle speed. Third, start the pump button. The engine will run at working speed automatic. The machine start pumping now. There is a wireless remote for same operating also. Weikai engine, Cummins engine, and normal engine could be chosen. Here is Weikai engine. Check the pressure gauge. It's powerful, isn't it? At last, stop the pumping button, cut off the engine, and switch off the power. Contact me to get your own concrete pump for easy. Making more money.